The future is now. In a rapidly changing world, one voice from the front lines of artificial intelligence is calling out to the next generation. Demis Hassabis, CEO of Google DeepMind, has issued a powerful warning. In the next 5 to 10 years, AI will disrupt more jobs than ever before. And he's not just talking about factory workers or customer service agents. He's talking about knowledge workers, engineers, designers, and even doctors. Hassabis' message is a wake-up call to teenagers, students, educators, and parents. Learn now or be left behind. This is not just about staying relevant. It's about thriving in an AI-shaped future. Who is Demis Hassabis and why should we listen? To understand the weight of this message, it helps to know who's delivering it. Demis Hassabis is not just another tech executive. He's a former chess prodigy, neuroscientist, and the visionary behind Google DeepMind, the research lab responsible for some of the most advanced AI breakthroughs, including AlphaGo, AlphaFold, and the Gemini AI chatbot. DeepMind is at the heart of Google's race to develop artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a type of AI that could think and reason like a human. In other words, Hassabis isn't speculating from the sidelines. He's one of the architects of the AI revolution itself. Job disruption. What happens in the next 5 to 10 years? Speaking at the Google I/O Developer Conference and in an episode of the popular Hard Fork podcast, Hassabis laid it out clearly. We're about to experience what always happens when a powerful new technology emerges. Some jobs will disappear and others will be created. But this time, it's happening faster and more pervasively. AI, especially generative AI, is already doing things once thought to be purely human. Writing code, generating art, composing music, diagnosing medical conditions, and even simulating human reasoning. Hassabis warned that while new roles will emerge, they'll require a very different set of skills. AI is Gen Alpha's defining technology. Each generation has its signature technology. For millennials, it was the internet. For Gen Z, it was the smartphone. For Gen Alpha, the generation born after 2010, it's generative AI. Generative AI is the hallmark of Gen Alpha, Hassabis said. That means tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI platforms are not just useful, they're foundational. Young people who grow up mastering these tools will have a significant advantage in every field, not just tech. Hassabis didn't mince words when he said teens should become AI ninjas, fully immersed in AI technology, understanding not only how to use it, but how it works. What should young people learn? Hassabis emphasizes 2 major areas of focus for young learners: technical fluency and cognitive flexibility. 1. Technical skills, STEM and coding. Students must build a strong foundation in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, with a special emphasis on coding. In a world where AI can generate working software from a sentence, understanding the logic behind code is still critically important. Even as AI starts to take over routine programming tasks, Hassabis argues that knowing how to code will be as fundamental as knowing how to write or do basic arithmetic. It's not just about creating software, it's about thinking logically, solving problems, and interacting effectively with AI systems. 2. Meta skills, creativity, adaptability, and resilience. But technical knowledge isn't enough. Learning to learn is key, says Hassabis. He believes the future will belong to those who are adaptable, people who can reskill quickly, navigate ambiguity, and remain emotionally and cognitively resilient in a world that's constantly changing. Creativity, curiosity, and critical thinking. These are the skills that AI cannot replicate easily. And they're becoming more valuable than ever. The university mindset shift. Another powerful point Hassabis makes is about how students approach higher education. He encourages undergraduates to use their time not just to absorb knowledge, but to discover how they learn best. He suggests that students should experiment with new technologies outside of class, stay curious, and build a habit of self-directed learning. Use the time you have as an undergraduate to understand yourself better, he said, emphasizing that this self-awareness is key to future success. In a world where job descriptions change rapidly and many current majors may be obsolete in 10 years, the ability to learn new things on your own, quickly and deeply, is a superpower. Hands-on learning. Don't wait for the classroom. Hassabis urges teens not to wait for formal education systems to catch up. AI is evolving faster than curriculums can keep pace. Instead, he recommends that students use free tools and online resources to explore and experiment. Try building with AI models. Use no-code platforms. Learn how to prompt language models. Join hackathons. Watch tutorials. Play around. The best preparation for the AI world isn't in a textbook. It's in the hands-on experience of playing with the tools of tomorrow. The role of parents and educators. Hassabis' message isn't just for teens. It's also for the adults guiding them. Schools and parents must support early exposure to AI concepts, coding, and digital literacy. But even more importantly, they must foster creativity, mental resilience, and a growth mindset. Encouraging failure, iteration, and exploration will be just as critical as teaching correct answers. Education systems must become more dynamic and student-centered to prepare learners for an unpredictable future. Final message: prepare now or get left behind. Demis Hassabis' overarching message is simple and urgent. AI is not the future, it is the present. And those who embrace it early will shape what comes next. Teens and young adults need to dive into AI now, or risk being unprepared for the biggest technological shift of the century. Whether you're a student, a parent, a teacher, or just a curious mind, the call is clear. Build strong foundations, stay adaptable, and be relentlessly curious. Because the next generation of leaders won't just use AI, they'll build with it. Closing thought: the time to act is today. The AI revolution is not waiting for anyone. For Gen Alpha, the path to thriving in this new world lies in embracing AI early, staying flexible, and continuously learning. As Demis Hassabis reminds us, this moment is as defining as the invention of the internet or the smartphone. But unlike those past revolutions, this one is moving faster. So don't wait. Learn, build, explore, and prepare, because the AI future is already here.